Hey guys, how are you? Today I bring you the video of the cardboard made by the Google. Though I am pretty late, but still for the viewers who haven't installed the apps or don't know what the cardboard is a artificial intelligence project handled by Google which allows you to experience virtual reality at your home itself at a price of very less rupees. Like in India right now, you can get the Google Cardboard at the price of 230 from Amazon.com. See, today I'll be unpacking and showing you how to install the apps for using the cardboard and where we can use the cardboard and what all apps are currently available for this this device. See, this is the how cardboard arrives at your home. Here we get a pamphlet telling you about the different apps which are available on the Android and iPhone. Yes, the cardboard works on both iPhone and the Android. It's not present on the Windows currently, and it would take a long time. And you can see there is a instruction on how can we use it. And the minimum Android version required is 4.1, and iPhone is iOS 6. So you can view the 2D and the 360 videos. 2D means you have a built-in player where you can see the Google. From the gallery you can play the normal 2D videos in the theater mode, and on the back of this pamphlet you'll see the instruction on how to build a car the lens from the cardboard this present over here. So let me show you how to build a cardboard. See, in the box you will get a ribbon. This can be connected if you don't want to use keep your hands busy, and you will get the four stickers. These you need to stick on them by some glue or something at the end so that the phone stays at the right place and it doesn't have to always support the phone in the cardboard. Now I'll show you how to build a cardboard. So you will get a pre-built lenses in the middle cardboard, and you will get a edge cardboard over here. See, this is the cardboard, and at one end you will have the two uh, magnets. One is fixed and the other one, this can be taken out. These will act as the button. The cardboard functions on the magnetic change, and whenever the magnetic change, the position where you have marked the header would be selected. So these would be used in the changing the magnetic field around the phone. See, even on the pamphlet is written that you need the gyro sensor, magnetometer, these two things to work for the cardboard with your phone. Basically right now every phone comes with these basic qualities, basic things built in these sensors. See, first of all you need to put this you see, this is the neck band. This should be present over here like this. So you need to put it like that. You'll start by putting it over here. See, I cannot use the both hands because I'm filming on the other phone right now. See, like this. And you need to take care that the compass is between this hole itself, so that whenever you want to press something you will move it like this, and the selected item will be selected. And to give the support in the middle over here, you have a small other cardboard this over here. This will be kept over, this would be maintained over here like this. See, after fixing all the things you will get the cardboard over like this, and the phone needs to be put over here, this space. After that you can cover it like this, and from here you can view it. Now I'll show you how to use these things. this couple of these black ones which will be used for supporting the phone. You need to stick these, one at this end, the other one at this end, similarly on this end and over this end. And if you want the ribbon around your neck, you can support, there is an option like here, this one, and over here this one. So these are the two options available for putting the ribbon, which could be fixed into the cardboard, and then you won't require your hands to hold on your cardboard while watching something. Okay, so now let me fix these ribbons, glue these ribbons on the edges, and then I'll show you how to connect this cardboard with the app and how to download other apps from the play stores. See, now after I have stuck the ribbons at the edges, this and this, these two are one, these two are two, and you will also get an extra two pair if you lose these ones. So after this, now what we have to do is we have to use this QR code with the app built by Cardboard to link this cardboard to a particular phone. So I'll show you how to download the app and to link it. See, open your phone, and over here I'm using the Mi 4i phone for the Ola for this cardboard. So now I'll go to the Play Store. I'll search for cardboard. See, over here I have the first one which is built by the Google itself. This is the official app, and you need to, I have already installed it on my phone, so you need to install this app. This is the main app. You need to have this app. Other apps are also present over here, like you can have the game and all those things. And there is also an app called Google Cardboard Camera. It's also built by the Google. This is the app where you can take a photo with a 360 view, like you can see in this photo, this picture. You can rotate your phone all around and you can take a photo, and afterwards you can look the photo in the cardboard, and it will be looking like a 3D photo like this. This is the view of the cardboard app. It's loading. See, this is the, so rotated off. So this is the photo of how the cardboard app works. You will see the two similar photos which you'll view from the two different lenses. Now after downloading the app, you need to go to the app. Here is my app. Go to the app. Then you need to go to the right topmost corner. Click on it. Go to setting. Then you need to, actually I already linked it with the cardboard, but the first time it will be showing to how to link button will be showing to press this button and link it. So I can change it anywhere, anytime with any other cardboard like this. Like if I switch a user, the camera would open and it will suggest me to show me the QR code. So wait a minute. I hold it like this. Now I'll use my phone again to link it with the same cardboard again. See. So it had detected this cardboard and it has been linked to my phone. Now this is the basic app. Now this is the basic app of the cardboard. Here you can see the three things: cardboard demo, 360 YouTube channel. YouTube has a particular channel where you can find all the videos which could be seen in the 360-degree format. And you can also use this thing with the basic street view app of the Google, where you can see all the particular some points all around the world which have been shooted by some person or some company, which you can see in a 360 mode. First we'll go to the cardboard demo. See, for the cardboard demo, like you see, place your phone into the laminated cardboard viewer. See, now if I'll put it the phone in there, I cannot make the video, so I'll show you how to make uh, put it. Let the app believe that I put it in the cardboard. Just put it in a horizontal way. It will think that I've already put the phone inside the cardboard. See, now I can see the double image. Two images. When you see it from the your cardboard, you can see it in a 360 mode. See, like if I move the phone up, the position would be changed. I can see the sky. If I go this side, I can see this side. If I go this side, and I can see this side. See, like here, you will see these basic things in the cardboard. The first one is setting. You cannot see it properly. The second one is the Google Earth. The third one is, so these are the basic option. When you, if you are in the cardboard, you can move your head towards any right or left, and the pointer, like you can see the white pointer in the beginning of the screen, will move according to your head. And when you want to select anything, you just need to press this button and put it like this. Move it a little downwards. That's it. It will be selected. And the first thing you need to watch in this is the demo version, which is the last option. See, which has the face or the icon of the cardboard itself. When you're selected, it will be showing you the basic demo of the cardboard. See, now you can see it by yourself when you buy the cardboard. I cannot show the demo of that. Now if you click on this 360 video channel, it will land you to the YouTube page where all the 360-degree videos made by all the other companies, all the other channels, or Google itself will be shown in one page itself. Like this one, made by the New York Times, is a flight of when you take a flight. So here you can see all the different videos made by different channels, which could be seen in the YouTube. So now how to see these videos in the 360 mode? Click on the any of the videos, it will start playing normally, but if you want to play it in the 360 mode, you need to go to the right corner and click it on the cardboard option. See, now the screen has been split into two options, and now if you put in the cardboard, you can see it in the 360-degree mode. Okay, see this option. Now I want to tell you one more thing. This basic option, see, if you don't have the 360 cardboard, still you can see it in 360 mode. But you have to move your phone over, down, right side, left side. It won't be a very nice experience, but you can take the experience of this video without even having the cardboard with you. But see, this option, when I press these 3 points at the rightmost topmost corner, you see the cardboard option in my phone. But this cardboard option will only come in a YouTube app if you have a cardboard app and it's been synced with any of one of the cardboard. Otherwise you would be getting only three things: caption, quality, and the report. That's it. So let me go back. So here you can see all the videos. Like my favorite 360-degree video is the one from the Tomorrowland Belgium 360 view, where I can see the festival in the 360 mode. I'll show you the link for that. This is Tomorrowland. See, this is my favorite video, Tomorrowland 2014 in the 360-degree madness. You can see it, watch in the cardboard, and you'll feel like you're in the festival. So Sorry. Now let me go to back to the cardboard app. Now here there is another option to get apps. Here you will see all the popular apps which support the cardboard functionality. Like first one is the Google's app, that is the cardboard camera, where you can click a photo of a 360-degree view and you can see it in a 360 mode. It's a kind of a panorama, but you can see it in the 360 mode, cardboard, and in the 360 mode. See others, there are very quite different type of games which are available on the internet, on the Google App Store and the Apple App Store, Apple App Market, whatever it's called. I don't remember the name right now. Or this Vice, where you can see all different videos. Like see over here also is moving in 360 mode. The same thing is also mentioned on the pamphlet itself. See, these are different apps present on the both iPhone and the Android. Though the quantity of the apps on iPhone is a little bit less than the on the Android, but there are very nice apps and the games also available which you can see and play in the 360 degree mode. So all in all, I can say that it's a very nice purchase if you want to buy something new and unique. Though it has been launched around 1 year ago, and it's the plastic one which is already fixed. You don't have to fix it every time. You don't have to stick these things on it. But this is the basic version if you don't want to spend much money. Like in India, it's just costing around $4 from Amazon.in. Similarly, they will have different rates over there, but you need to have a basic requirement. You need to have a phone with some sensors and a Android version more than 4.1 and the iOS version more than 6. I used the MI4i for the description in this video, and it works really fine. But only bad thing about carburetor is it consumes a very high battery. Your battery will drain very fast while using this 360-degree mode, and there's at the same time it pains a lot in the eyes. You cannot directly or overall play videos for more than 20 or 30 minutes on this, and you should not play it because these will hurt your eyes. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.